Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix error while loading tab to retry on YouTube on iPhone. If you are using YouTube on your iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you open your YouTube app, if you face this type error on your YouTube app, so let's see how can you fix this. So basically, it's nothing just a network issue. You can easily fix this issue by refreshing your network. So not do that, you have to scroll down. And from here, you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Or you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app here, and open general here. Go for VPN and device management. And you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, just go back from here and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, you just have to go for date and time settings and you have to enable this toggle to set automatically the date and time. Then go back and then you just have to select the option of software update and you have to try to update your software if you find any pending update here. And after doing that, you just have to go back and you have to make a force restart if you're still facing the same issue. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes flip black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes flip black. And here, once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to try to open your YouTube app and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. Or here you can see that my issue is almost fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to go back, then open your settings app, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after resetting your network setting, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.